Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the ice maker assembly in this GE refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the freezer door and pull out the ice bucket. Use the small flathead screwdriver to help disconnect the ice maker wire harness. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screw securing the ice maker to the liner. With the screw unthreaded, you can pull the old assembly straight out to remove. To prepare the new ice maker assembly for installation, transfer the fill cup from the old ice maker to the new one. You can also transfer the cover to retain the cushion attached to the original ice maker. Now align the ice maker assembly on the rear liner posts. Be sure to place the spacer between the ice maker and the side liner. Then thread the screw through the spacer and into the liner to secure. Connect the wire harness. Make sure the ice maker's on-off switch is in the on position. Then reinstall the ice bucket. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.